Okay, guys, we are gonna find Whiskers, it's a cat, and follow me. I think we need to check over here.
Okay. We're gonna be trying to find some of our cats.
We have a lot of them.
No, we don't. We only have like a couple, okay? Anyway, we will be looking for them and petting them, unless it's one of the feral cats.
I don't think they down. I don't think they down here because they should not. They don't go down here.
Okay.
And some of them go in the woods.
Yeah, I usually go over there. Let's look over here.
It's wet outside, but guys.
There's
a huge bee's nest over here, but
yeah.
Didn't cross it.
Maybe let's look in the other side. Maybe we can find Blue.
Oh yeah.
There's Youngblood.
Yeah. No. We found Youngblood. The mama cat of all the kitties.
It's a nice little kitty.
Okay. Now.
Bye, Youngblood. Have a good day.
Now we have to check.
Sometimes they go under there. There's none under there.
Guys, we're back. Come on. Use your phone. There's one kitty. There's one kitty.
Okay, we found the kitty. His name's Kalis, or her name. We didn't really know if it was a boy or a girl, so her name's Kalis. But she's right over here. Come on. Hold up, we can't. I need to point the camera down right now. Hey, Kalis.
Okay, let's go.
Kalis likes to be under the cars.
Some of them.
They also like to go under the lawnmower.
Hey. No, film this way. I'm gonna take off my mask.
Oh, okay. I'm not filming that way. I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video for a second. Okay, we're gonna keep on looking, but
There's nobody.
We didn't really find any more cats right now. But we do have Looney.
I know where. Hey, I know where the other cat. Come on.
Hold on, I want to show Looney. Luna. Molly. And there's Molly.
Okay, guys.
Okay. Molly's gonna come with us to see up here. But Looney can't because she's on a leash. I don't want to get stung by a bee.
There's no bees over here, buddy.
How about we go around the other way? Yes, Jackson.
What?
Let's go around the other way.
Pause the video.
Well, we just found Youngblood again. And no other kitties. Jackson, we should not be going back here.
Okay, this is the
You're gonna get bit by a snake, bud. Oh, we better. Okay, well, we couldn't really find any more kitties right now.
Oh.
Huh? I wasn't sure. We didn't really find any more kitties. But
Hey, bye, guys.
if we find more, we'll make a part 2. Bye.